This is a 2019 Lexus NX 300. Happens to be a black line edition. It's out of the ordinary. It's extra special. And this is the owner's manual for the NX 300. Now you could spend the rest of your life reading that owner's manual, or when you jump in your NX, you can hit the voice button, which allows you to command climate, phone, music, navigation.
Before you start, consider viewing the available video tutorials or voice training functionality. Select the Do Not Tell Me Again option if you do not want this reminder again, or just push the talk button to continue. The tutorials and training will always be available from the voice settings menu.
So let's go to tutorials.
Use the manual controls to select the tutorial you want to view.
Let's go with address entry.
To get directions to an address, say something like, "Get directions to 123 Main Street, Los Angeles, California." If you include the full address, including the state, voice recognition will be more accurate. To see a list of previous destinations, say, "Show previous destinations." Select an item from the list to navigate to it. At any time, you can quickly transition to the map screen by pressing the talk button and saying, "Show the map."
So, we could have spent half the night reading about that, or we can go right here and go to Voice Recognition Basics.
This voice recognition system lets you use common features of your vehicle and phone, while keeping your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. For example, to make a phone call, say, "Call Mike Smith at home." To find a point of interest, say, "Find a coffee shop nearby." To hear a certain radio station, say, "Tune to 94.9 FM. Some system commands are common to all features. For example, you can always say any of the following to control a feature or to get help. Start over, go back, cancel, repeat, or help. You can also cancel a voice recognition session by holding the talk button down for 1 to 2 seconds. You can also use common commands to control lists. For example, in a list of your recent phone calls, you can select one by saying number 2, or navigate the list by saying previous page, next page, first page, or last page. You can also choose a list item by selecting it on the screen. If you have installed additional apps, you can control them by using your voice. For example, if you have a music app installed, say Launch, followed by the name of the app. After launching the app, you can either use voice commands or the on-screen menu to use the application's features.
So there you have it. I'm James Johnson at Lexus of Las Vegas, which happens to be the home of JamesJohnsonSalesCars.com. If you have any questions, you can call me directly, 702-354-1166, or go to the James Johnson Sells Lexus YouTube channel and subscribe. Always new information coming out, and you never know, you might win a prize. 702-354-1166. Visit JamesJohnsonSalesCars.com and subscribe to James Johnson Sells Lexus on YouTube.